In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rectangle in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know how to open your PDF, draw a rectangle, adjust its size, and attach a comment that appears as a handy pop-up when you hover over it. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. Once it's running, head to the upper left corner and click the main menu. From there, choose Open. This brings up your file browser. Navigate to the PDF where you want to add a rectangle, select it, and click Open again. Give the document a moment to load. Larger files may take a few extra seconds. With your PDF open, look to the side panel for the drawing tools. Click Draw Freehand. Depending on your layout, this may appear alongside other annotation tools. If your window is narrow, the label might be shortened and show as an icon. Expanding the window or hovering the toolbar can help you spot it. After selecting Draw Freehand, choose Rectangle from the options that appear. This switches your cursor into rectangle drawing mode. Now move your cursor to the spot on the page where you want the rectangle to begin. Click and hold, then drag outward to define the shape and size. Release the mouse to place it. If you want to adjust it, hover over the rectangle until you see handles on the corners and sides, then click and drag those handles to resize. This is a quick way to fine-tune the rectangle to exactly fit the content you're highlighting. If you need to nudge it to a different location, hover near the edge until you see the move cursor and drag it into position. After placing the rectangle, take a look at the right side of your screen. A text box appears there for annotations. Click inside that box and type your comment. You can also use this space to invite others to collaborate, which is useful when you need feedback on a specific area of the document. When your note is ready, click Post to attach the comment to the rectangle. To confirm everything worked, hover your mouse over the rectangle. You'll see a pop-up with your comment, making it easy for anyone reviewing the PDF to understand what the rectangle is calling attention to. That's all there is to it. Open the file, choose the rectangle tool, draw and adjust your shape, and post your comment so it's visible on hover. This approach is perfect for emphasizing sections, marking corrections, or guiding collaborators directly to the right place.